Namaste. Today's topic is money exchange related with class 10, and here in this lesson we discuss about the changes of the money from different countries. Under the present system, the open market exchange rates quoted by different banks may differ. Use buying rate while converting other currency into Nepali currency, and use selling rate while converting Nepali currency into. Here exchange rate fixed by Nepal Rashtra Bank is given in this chart, and the students different buying rate and selling rate of different countries are listed here. While calculating the problems, you can use different buying and selling rates, but in question already mentioned that selling rate and buying rate. Money exchange can be solved by using chain rule. Here one example of chain rule is given. Here x equals to y equals to z equals to a. Then we have to set up these in the chain rule as x equals to y equals to z, and z equals to a. Then chain rule becomes multiplication of LHS is equals to multiplication of RHS. That is x into y into z is equals to y into z into a. And you have to keep in mind always unit of LHS remains equal unit of RHS. Then what it will be? The z cancel, y cancel, and x equals to a remains. This is the one model of chain rule. Money exchange. Next example of chain rule. Here one question is, a radio is bought for rupees $20 and sold for 18 pound. If $1 equals to rupees 105 and 1 pound equals to rupees 130, what is the profit in Nepali rupees? Now you can solve this. First of all, you have to keep in your mind that CP of a radio is $20, and we convert this $20 in Nepalese rupees, and we know that $1 equals to 105 rupees. So it becomes 20 into 105 equals to rupees 2100, means 2100. And SP is given in pound, so pound is also converted into Nepalese rupees. Then SP becomes 18 into 130, that means rupees 2340, means this pound is also converted into Nepali currency. Now you have both CP and SP in Nepali currency. You can find out the profit. Profit equals to SP minus CP. Here rupees 2340 minus rupees 2100, it gives rupees 240. That is profit while converting dollar. Next example of next example. A man needed 6,000 US dollars. While converting Nepali currency into dollars, the bank took a commission of 1%. Find how much Nepali currency he needs. Now see here how to do such type of problem. Here 1 US dollar equals to rupees 108.18. Then 6,000 US dollar equals to 108.18 into 6,000 equals to 6,49,080 rupees becomes. Now we calculate commission is 1%. The commission 1% of commission 6,49,080 rupees. That gives 6490.80, means 6,490 rupees 80 paisa. Now total money required, the 6,49,080 rupees it was, and commission is added 6,490.80, then it becomes 6,55,570.80. Yeah. Money exchange. Here one problem related with devaluation is given here, saying Sania converted rupees 6 lakh into pound sterling. After 1 week, Nepali currency becomes devaluated by 5%. Find whether C has made a profit or loss. A 1 pound sterling equals to rupees 132.91 given. And now we have to convert rupees 132.91 is equals to 1 pound. It means rupees 1 equals to 1 divided by 132.991. And now how many pound we have to convert? We have to convert 6 lakh. Then 6 lakhs gives 4,514.33 pound. It means 4,514.33. Now after the devaluation of Nepalese rupees, 1 pound sterling equals to 132.91 plus 5% of 132.91. It gives 139.56. Then now convert this pound. Pound we have 4,514.33. This is converted into rupees. Then it becomes 139.56 into 4514.33. It gives 6,29,999.58. Then his profit becomes, it was 6 lakh, now it becomes 6,29,999.58. It means it gives profit 29,999.58. Here different example given when export charge is given here. Is saying 5,000 caps bought for rupees 400 per piece in Nepali market and is sold in Britain after paying 5% export tax. Then 150% profit is made. Find the selling price of each cap in pound sterling. Now we know that cost price of one cap is 400 and export tax becomes 5% of 400, that is rupees 20. The net CP of one cap becomes 400 plus rupees 20, that means 420. Now cost price of 5,000 cap with export tax equals to 420 into 5,000, that means 21 lakh. Now CP becomes 21 lakh, profit is 150%. Now SP equals to, we know that SP equals to 100 plus profit percent into CP by 100. Just we keep the value. 21 lakh is your CP. 100 plus 150%, that gives 250%. After calculating, we will get 52 lakh 50,000. Then SP of one cap became 52 lakh 50,000 divided by 5,000. It means one cap's SP becomes 1,050 rupees. Now convert this into dollar. The 1 pound equals to 150. Then 1 rupee equals to 1 by 150. The rupees 1,050 equals to 7 pound. This is your required answer. Here different. Here one example. While buying 20 tola gold in American market at the rate of $525 per tola will be sold in Nepali market adding 20% custom charge and 13% VAT. What will be the minimum selling price if $1 equals to 105 rupees 0.52 paisa? Now here solution. Cost price of 1 tola gold is equals to $525. Now custom charge 20% of 525 is rupees $105. Then price of 1 tola gold including custom charge becomes $525 plus $105 is equals to $630. Now VAT is 13%. The price of 1 tola gold including VAT becomes $630 plus 13% of $630. It means after calculating it becomes $711.9. Now when we convert this into rupees, $1 equals to 105 rupees 52 paisa. Then it is multiplied with 711.9. Then it gives 75,119.68. Now minimum selling price of 20 tola gold becomes 75,119.688 into 20, that is 20 tola. So total becomes 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10 lakh, 10 lakh, 15 lakh 2393.76. Here one example. Thank you. It is time for practicing, and some questions are given as your homework. You can practice more and more. Thank you. It is time. Thanks for your precious time. Visit YouTube channel and download for more practice.